Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome to another enchanting episode where we explore the wonders of nature. Today, we're diving into the magical world of peonies, those lush, vibrant flowers that can transform any garden into a fairy tale. Think of this as a Pixar adventure where each bloom has its own story to tell. Imagine the peonies as characters in a whimsical garden tale. First up, let's talk about planting. This is where the journey begins, and it's crucial to get it right. Peonies love the sun, so find a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. They thrive in bright, sunny locations. Now, here's a tip straight from Mother Nature herself. Plant your peony roots in the fall, about 6 weeks before the first frost. This gives them time to establish before winter. Dig a hole that's about 2 feet deep and wide. This ensures the roots have plenty of room to grow and spread out. Place the roots so that the eyes or buds are no more than 2 inches below the surface. This is key to ensuring they bloom beautifully. Cover it up, give it a good watering, and let the magic begin. Watering helps settle the soil and gives the roots a good start. Winter might seem harsh, but it's a crucial time for peonies. They need this period of dormancy to prepare for their springtime show. Underneath the blanket of snow, those roots are getting cozy, preparing for their big spring debut. It's like a secret training camp for flowers. Think of it like a Pixar hero training montage. The roots are building strength and energy for the upcoming season. When spring arrives, you'll see tiny shoots pushing through the soil, reaching for the sky. Now, patience is key. These little shoots are the first sign of the magic to come. Peonies can take a couple of years to really settle in and start blooming, but during this time, they're establishing a strong foundation. But trust me, the wait is worth it. When they finally bloom, it's like a grand premiere of a long-awaited movie. Once established, they'll reward you with stunning blooms year after year. These flowers are not just beautiful, they're a testament to your patience and care. Just picture those lush, vibrant flowers swaying in the breeze. It's like something out of a Disney fairy tale. Each bloom adds a touch of magic to your garden, and don't forget about maintenance. Even the most magical gardens need a little care to keep them looking their best. Peonies are pretty low maintenance, but they do appreciate a little TLC. Regular care ensures they stay healthy and vibrant. In the spring, give them a dose of compost or a balanced fertilizer to keep them happy. This extra nourishment helps them produce those stunning blooms. And after they've bloomed, snip off the spent flowers to encourage even more growth. This simple step can lead to a more prolific display next season. Oh, and one last tip: support those heavy blooms. Peonies have big, beautiful flowers that can sometimes topple over. Use stakes or a peony ring to keep them standing tall and proud. This helps prevent damage and keeps your garden looking neat. With a little support, your peonies will stand tall and showcase their full beauty. So there you have it. Growing peonies is a journey filled with wonder and beauty. Growing peonies is like watching a Pixar movie, full of wonder, a few challenges, and a whole lot of beauty. Each step brings you closer to a garden masterpiece. Get out there and create your own garden masterpiece. Happy gardening! Remember, every garden has its own story, and yours is just beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more magical gardening journeys. See you next time. Keep the magic alive in your garden.